issue is I need to reach within a limited time frame. You cannot drive lethargically and just where are you coming with the phone, idiot? I'm not playing music, but it involves both the driving, including the high-speed drives, the slow drive. Hello everyone, welcome to another fine morning. Today I need to reach a location approximately 160 kilometers far, and I have a paucity of time. I need to reach within 10 hours, 10 or 10,000. 10,000? Ten, 100 or 1,000 hours. The problem is when my vehicle fly over 80 kilometers per hour, the coordination between brain and the vocab, everything gets twinkled because the focus is more on the road and less on what I'm trying to convey. Anyways, I hope the message got delivered. This is a very big truck, 11 indicators. I don't usually drive always on the high-speed lane, but it is much more of on a situational basis. As you can see on the left side, there is loose gravels, sand particle. It may lead to loss in traction. So here I have no other option but to drive on the right lane. Another thing that I take into consideration is the vicinity of the road. If there are people moving aside or if there is an obstacle, then I tend to move to the right, always maintaining a big margin. Like our finance minister.
The margin value.
Just a warning honk. And that's the same reason why these heavy vehicles are driving on the right, because they will find more obstacles in the left. Not much onions. So the target is I need to maintain an average speed of 70 kilometers per hour, which is a bit more and challenging as well on this road. Though the traffic seems to be fine. Let me check the present average speed and what is the requirement. Now I'm driving at 42 kilometers per hour and I need to gain more 30 kilometers per hour. And this is the only place where I could compensate the time. Yes, I'm running out of time, I'm running late. Where are you coming with the phone, idiot? Anyways, typical Indian roads. So where was I? This is the place, or there is a stretch of long 75 or 80, 75 to be more precise. And on this stretch, I could compensate the time. However, the moment I get into, or I leave the NH, this particular NH, I need to go through a village and more country roads rather than NH or state highways. There the speed will drastically drop, the average speed will drop like 30 or 35 kilometer I'm going to lose there. And it is a stretch of 25 kilometers or 25 or 20 kilometers, and the rest is fine. It's a state highway, though they declared it as a national highway as of now. I'm not playing music, but it's kind of a warning on. So that's how I bifurcate my journey and try to maintain the mean goals, as I've discussed before in my videos. What is a mean goal? What is end goal? Now you can understand the final destination, not that final destination, but my destination where I want to reach is the end goal. Now, in order to achieve it, I need to break it down. Now, the issue is I need to reach within a limited time frame. You cannot drive lethargically and just loosely reach whenever you can. No, there is a time constraint, and whenever there is a time constraint, I'm trying to reach within that limited time frame. And for that, I've broken down my end goals into 3 parts. That is, those are the mean goals. Mean goal 1 is to continue on this national highway 55 till 75 kilometers. Then I will get into the villages, more 25 to 30 kilometers. Then that is part 2, or mean goal 2. And the third mean goal is the other half, which will comprise of around 55 kilometers. You see another idiot approaching on the wrong way. So now the update is the average kilometer per hour is 50. Fuel economy, vehicle running bit lean, 14.7. Though I just reset the meter from the home itself, and there was a little bit traffic, so the numbers are not actual. It will increase eventually up to 18, because today I'm driving a bit on heavy foot side. Oh, jumping, Japak. This auto will make me an issue. I will continue behind the truck. His speed seems to be fine. Gap indicators, all right. Now, it doesn't make any sense. Now, it doesn't make any sense that you continue to stay on the left lane and start honking the auto rickshaw. He's on the left lane, he's driving slow, he's on his own pace, and the overtaking lane is the right lane. So honk the vehicle on your right or on the high speed lane. So this is how you could break your end goals into mean goal, and in a there are more variables. Okay, and you can reach to a destination within a limited time frame, and it involves both the driving, including the high-speed drives, the slow drive, and things are more safer. Though the today's target is a bit challenging because I need to complete 160 kilometers within, how much it's now, within 2 hours, or 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 2 or 2.5 hours. Provided the roads are like this, then I could have done it easily within 2 hours, or maybe within 1 hour 45 minutes. But the road conditions are mixed, and the patch that I was talking about of somewhat around 20 to 25 kilometers will take much more time because it's completely a village area. Before, I don't used to record there because nothing much there to show, but today I will keep recording. This is the intersection. I checked left to right, clear. I continued with my speed. Anyways, so that's, you need to take care how to break your journey into parts and continue driving. And brakes are important. You need to take break on your journey. You see, zombies, they will pop out from anywhere. So you always need to be attentive.